Hello guys and welcome to the market review for 5th April 2024. We will cover how the Nifty performed during the day, who were the top performing stocks in the index. Other than that, we'll also cover the most important news which happened during the market hours. So let's begin. The Nifty traded flat throughout the day and it ended at 22,513, while the BSE Sensex ended at 74,248, up 20 points from yesterday. Top gainers in the NSE were the Kotak Bank, SBI Life Insurance Company, HDFC Bank, ITC Limited and HDFC Life Insurance Company. The top losers on the index were Grasim Industries, Ultratech Cement, Bharat Petroleum Corporation, Bajaj Finance and Larsen & Toubro. Now we'll take a look at some of the stocks which traded at higher volumes than 5 times their previous or average volumes. So in this list we have Asahi India Glass Limited, Vijay Diagnostic Center, Aavas Financiers, IIFL Finance, Gujarat Gas Limited and Indraprastha Gas Limited today. The stocks which gave the highest price movements today include IIFL Finance, which rose by 13% today, Aavas Financiers, which grew by 10% today, NBCC by 9.3%, NCC by 6.9%, IRB Infrastructure Developers by 6.4% and Safari Industries by 6%. Now coming to the top stock market news for the day. Obviously very important day. RBI had its MPC meeting today. So let's take a look at some of the highlights from that meeting. So RBI has expectedly kept the repo rates constant at 6.5%. The real GDP growth rate forecasted for FY25 was at 7%. While India's GDP growth is strong, there is little incentive for the MPC to cut rates right now. Till inflation is around the 4% mark on a durable basis, the MPC is unlikely to cut rates. So expect rate cuts only in the Q3 of FY25. RBI also permitted the use of third-party UPI apps for making UPI payments from PPI wallets. Small finance banks granted access to additional interest rate derivative products. RBI also introduced mobile app to operate in the retail direct portal for retail investors. This will deepen the retail GSEC market. The next important piece of news comes from Mphasis Limited. Mphasis has signed a multi-year collaboration agreement with Amazon Web Services to establish the Gen AI Foundry, a business unit led by Mphasis.ai. The third important news for the day comes from the IPO listing of Tax Security. So Vijay Kedia backed cybersecurity firm Tax Security made its stock market debut today on the NSE. It lifted at a 174% premium over its IPO price. The next important piece of news comes from Globus Spirits. So Globus Spirits Limited has agreed to forge a joint venture partnership with Ansa McAL Limited. Under this agreement, the companies will establish the equally owned joint venture in India to engage in manufacturing, sourcing and distribution of beer. Another interesting thing which happened in the market today, Angel One raised 1500 crore rupees through qualified institutional placement today. Marico Limited reported a decent Q4 FY24 performance with volume growth in domestic business driven by Parachute Coconut Oil and Saffola Oils. The shares were up by 2% on the BSE today. Other than that, HDFC Bank has been doing great. Over the last 6 to 7 trading sessions, it has been constantly moving on the rise and has been risen by more than 8% in the last 6 trading sessions. The next piece of information comes from TVS Motors. TVS Motors launched a retro motorcycle in Colombia, the launch of TVS Ronin in Colombia. It is the first modern retro 225cc motorcycle which weighs 160 kilograms and delivers a whopping 20.4 PS power along with a 19.93 Nm torque. So these were the most important stock market related news and updates for the 5th April 2024. Hope you guys got a very fast understanding of what happened today in the market. Stay tuned for regular market updates. Kindly like and follow my channel if you like the content and subscribe to it. Thank you and bye.